If you were hoping to buy a new Fontanini anvil, I'm afraid for now you're out of luck and you're going to have to look for something else. Early last year, I upgraded my old anvil to this new Fontanini anvil. The short story is, I really like this anvil, I'm really glad I got it, and apparently I'm really lucky that I got it. Now, I had meant to wait a full year before I did any kind of an update video on this and have a whole year's worth of use to tell you what I think about it. But I decided to do this video today because I just heard from Steve Fontanini. Apparently he sold the company, not his blacksmithing business or his teaching workshops, things like that, but the anvil side of the business has been sold. And it sounds like that happened not too long after I took delivery on this anvil. It sounds like they have suspended sales. They are not still selling Fontanini anvils. Hopefully that's temporary. Hopefully this is just part of their adjustment to changing the business from Steve to whoever these new owners are, and I can't tell you who they are. I haven't been in contact with them. If they want me to pass that information on to you, they're going to have to contact me themselves. But what that means is if you've been looking at this anvil and admiring it and were thinking about buying a Fontanini anvil, at the moment, you're completely out of luck. Hopefully they'll be available again at some point this year, but there's no way to know that, no way to guarantee that. So if you're looking for a high quality new anvil, particularly a double horn European style anvil, you might consider Ruffling House anvils. I've heard wonderful things about Holland anvils, although I've never actually used their product. My second anvil is an Old World Anvils, and currently Blacksmith Supply is the dealer for Old World anvils, and fly presses for that matter. And they have other brands of anvils, so you might want to contact one of those companies if you're looking for a new anvil. And of course, most of the blacksmithing suppliers, Pay Tool, Centaur Forge, Blacksmiths Depot, they all have anvils. But for now, I'm afraid you're out of luck if you're looking for a Fontanini anvil. I just wanted to take a moment and pass the word on. We'll see you Sunday morning for our regularly scheduled video.